Hey everybody, it's David from EZCoin. Hope everybody's doing good. I wanted to make a video here about how to install and a brief idea on how to use our Core Wallet. So let's start by going to myezcoin.com, and when you get there you'll see the menu at the top. You're going to want to click on Wallet, and from here you're going to see the EZCoin wallets. Right down here you'll see PC, Mac, and Linux. We are on a PC, so we're going to click PC. So there, it went ahead and downloaded. It's a zip file, so we're going to have to extract these files. So let's just click on that. And from here it's going to open up your extraction program. So you'll want extract to, and I'm going to choose the desktop to make this simple. And we're going to create a new folder. There we go, and we'll click OK. After it's done extracting, you can close that, and then you can also minimize your browser. If you look, you'll find right here the folder that we just extracted. Once you have that opened up, you're going to want to click on this file, EZCoin-QT. Double click. And it says this is the first time the wallet has been launched, and we need to choose where to store its data. Well, we will use the current default directory, so all you have to do is just click OK. And you'll see also in the background you need to allow access through your firewall, so allow that. And now you'll see our wallet over here. So what we have is our Core Wallet, and right now it's synchronizing the headers. That's the first thing it's going to have to do. You'll see that it's 9 weeks behind, so it has a little ways to go. This could take a little while, so just be patient with it. In the meantime, you can hide this and you'll see the home page, I guess you could say the overview of your wallet. From here you'll see the available coins and a couple cool things. In the corner you're going to see that it's synchronizing and it's catching up on the blocks, and this is going to say that you're connected to the network. And then this EZCoin logo will light up gold when it's staking. When you do have coins in your wallet, then when this wallet is online, it will be able to stake those coins and you will earn block rewards. But until that lights up gold and you have some coins in your wallet, the staking feature is not active right now. Okay, let's go across the top real quick. You've got the overview. You've got send. So this would be sending to an EZCoin wallet any coins you would like to send. If you'd like to receive coins, that's where you would do this. What I would suggest is you go ahead and set up a receiving address, and you can just put mine. It can be anything. You don't have to fill out the amount and you don't have to fill out the message. You just need to hit request payment, and it will create a QR code and a wallet address right here. So that is your EZCoin wallet receiving address. If you want to receive coins from the exchange, if you have people that want to send you coins, this would be the address that you would need to send them to make sure that you got those coins. Okay? So let's close that out, and then the last one is your transactions, which we don't have any here yet because we are still at 0. So you've got settings, nothing really fancy here. I wouldn't mess with any of the settings. One of the cool things you can do is go to the debug window. You can check the network traffic, and you can see how many peers are connected to the network at this time. So there's a lot here, but I think that will give you the basic overview of the EZCoin Core Wallet. So I hope this was helpful on installing the Core Wallet and a little bit of information about it. So you guys have a great one, and go EZCoin.